Another ministry that we brought back recently, I know it was here before, but we brought back recently, was the visits to the homebound. And that, I guess, if you'll pardon my using the term, I would call that in-reach, actually. Outreach is a very important part of what we do at Christ Church, but in-reach, I think, is important too. And some of the people that we're bringing the communion to are our elders, and I think it's really great that we bring communion to them when they no longer can come to church, because many of the people that we're bringing it to have actually served in our community for years and years and years, and now it's our turn to give back to them and be of service to them. So that's for the elders that we're working. But then we also have younger people who are going through a turbulent time or having trouble in their life and for some reason are not able to come to church. And so that is additionally important, because it is reaching out to those of our congregation who are in need for maybe a short or a more extended period of time, and basically telling them that just because you aren't physically present in the church with us every Sunday doesn't mean that we've forgotten about you, and it doesn't mean that we don't care. And it's really being with them and bearing witness to what's happening to them and telling them, I hear you, and I know that this is important, and we're here for you. So that's community. It's bringing us all together.